Hi everyone, hope you're well. This is an energy read for now and the coming week. We're still in the ripples of the recent eclipse energy, and we've also got a new moon tomorrow morning in the UK. It's at 9:27 UK time on Monday, 13th of November. So this new moon is a very deep, serious and intense feeling one. The key words are choice and transformation. So big and total transformation is possible now with the particular choices available to you. And the key question is, how do you want your future to look? And especially, how do you want it to feel? So you may have been thinking about an action, a choice, or a change for a while now. And this new moon doesn't force you to make it happen, but it's a very auspicious opportunity, like a big doorway that's normally closed, but just wide open now. And all you have to do is make that choice and walk through it if you choose. So to the cards, I pulled 3 cards for the new moon, and I have a crystal on either side. The one on the left is rose quartz for love, healing, peace, connection, and calmness. And on the right, we've got smoky quartz for Scorpio, Sawane, and it was the stone used by the Druids in ceremonies. So it's all about seeing the truth, seeing the essence of something, seeing beyond any smoke and mirrors, and just beyond the 3D material world. So the cards represent a choice and a possible linear timeline. We start with the 5 of Cups. This is where we are now and where we have been for some time. So this is the card of loss, sadness, and disappointment. You can see a grey sky in the background and 3 spilt cups in front of a figure with their head down, with 2 upright cups still behind them. So the mood is one of heartache, hurt, and deep sorrow, deep emotional pain. So the card's about being stuck in that pain and not feeling ready or able to turn around and move on yet. It's a feeling that everything is lost, even though it's not, because there is still 2 cups which you can pick up and move on with. So this is an energy and a feeling you don't want to stay in forever, but when it comes, you do need to acknowledge it, feel it, move through it, whatever caused it. Don't suppress these emotions, but keep moving so you don't stay stuck. Because after this, we have the Queen of Pentacles followed by the next Cups card, which is a much more positive one. So this is about the journey from the 5 of Cups feeling through this new moon, through the help of the Queen of Pentacles into the 6 of Cups energy, which is what is there for us on the other side. So 6 of Cups is a really beautiful card. It represents where we want to be emotionally rather than the 5 of Cups. And the 6 of Cups is also all the things that can heal the 5 of Cups energy. It's a card of love. It's a card of reunion. So family, friend, love reunions are possible. And we do have a Mercury retrograde coming up. Shadow starts on the 25th of November, which can definitely bring people from the past. It's a card of healing through the heart, a card of friendship, possibly rekindling a friendship from the past. And you can see in each cup there's a white flower. So this represents purity and genuine intentions, also new growth. So there's happiness in this card. There's no drama or manipulation. Okay, so more about the Queen of Pentacles in the middle. She is there to help us get from the 5 to the 6 energy. So we can see her there. She's sitting in the sun. She's surrounded by nature and growth. She's holding a large gold pentacle, and this pentacle is a gift. This pentacle represents something new, and this new thing is coming in with this new moon energy. It's even in the shape of a full moon, which this isn't, but, it's reminiscent of the moon. And I want to say that this new thing coming in will grow steadily like a new moon. So watch what comes in that's new and how it develops over the next 2 weeks. So pentacles, on the one hand, are very practical and material things. They can represent a job, money, the home, but also, and especially in this case, just represent the things that we value and valuing ourselves. So she's saying to us now at this new moon, let something new in that's real and tangible and important to you. And the shift in feeling from the 5 to the 6 of Cups energy will come to you from the new thing that you bring in rather than just letting go of something old. So the message is to invite or allow the new in, step through that portal, step through that open doorway that's normally shut but is just open and ready at the moment. And just trust and remember the 6 of Cups energy is ready and waiting for you on the other side. If you're feeling anxious about this, then call on the Queen of Pentacles to guide you and walk you through this new moon portal. And just remember, don't be stuck like the figure in the 5 of Cups. Everything is not lost. Your back is turned, but when you turn around and walk, what's there is good. Okay. All right, everyone. So also remember, your spirit team is around you and can be called on as well, especially during November. We still have the Swain energy. They're beside you. They're cheering you on. They want what's best for you. And I'm also hearing that the Queen is saying it's time. Okay. When you turn around and reach out, she'll give you the coin and she will lead you to that 6 of Cups. So that's a really hopeful, big message there. I hope it helps you as you move into and through this coming week. And when I pulled these cards, I was reminded of this painting on the right. So let me just talk you through it. It's called The Light of the World. And on the left, there's a closed door covered in weeds and brambles that hasn't been opened for a long time. And then we have the Jesus or the light figure, however you want to see it, standing outside the door and knocking. But there's no handle on the outside. You need to open that door from the inside and choose to open it from within and let in that light. So I feel that's a very similar idea to the portal of this new moon, that idea of the open door, of walking through it, of being guided through it, of going into the new, allowing in the new, and through doing that, moving into this better 6 of Cups energy. Okay, everyone, take care, and I'll talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.